I love the Yale community. Before I came here, I felt like that was overstated by students. But now that I'm here, I realize it was actually understated, and it's one of my favorite parts about being here, not only within the School of Public Health, but the greater Yale community is phenomenal. So I've taken classes in the law school, in the graduate school, in the medical school, in the undergrad, and I have amazing connections through all of them. All of the faculty here are super approachable.
Our student body is diverse in age, so we have people who are right out of school and knew they wanted to come to the Yale School of Public Health, all the way to physicians who have been practicing for years.
If you want to do research with a professor, all you have to do is ask. There's more than enough opportunity to go around. If you want to have a job, you can find a job. As you look for internships, there's plenty of resources to use here. But it was almost like they just opened every single door at Yale and said, choose which one you want to walk through.
Afternoons, I also work at the School of Medicine where I do research, so I spend some time there. And then I am in the consultant club.
I really like New Haven because it's a very dynamic community. You have the wonderful resources of Yale, but you also have the community itself. And just being from downtown, I get the ability to just see the different cultures and the mixes. Just walking down Chapel, you have the green, you have the local neighborhoods, and the farmers market is beautiful.
One of the most interesting and fun activities I did was to volunteer at the Yale farm.
I was on the SAFE board as the communications chair.
And I have been the co-lead of Yale's ACHE chapter, which is...
When Hurricane Sandy came through, we organized some of the students plus people from the church I belong to, and we were able to go out to Milford on the coastline and really help people who had been affected by that storm.
So I work in Yongju's lab. He's in the Department of Environmental Health Sciences at Public Health, and been working there for about a year and a half. And my research is focused on brain cancer.
So last semester I actually was a community outreach intern at the United States District Attorney's Office of Connecticut. So there I helped one of the assistant prosecutors with a program called Prison Reentry. So
the first club I joined here is Health Corps. It is a philanthropic organization where we send students to Honduras each spring. We go there and we travel to different schools and mobile health clinics, and we work with people from World Vision.
So one of the coolest things I think since coming to Yale is that trying to do a business venture with a colleague in the School of Medicine to create kind of a new platform for drug delivery and therapeutics. And we are part of the Yale Entrepreneurial Institute for their Venture Creation Program. And we also have support through the Center for Engineering Innovation Design on campus.
I worked at the CDC this summer, and it was a really amazing experience because not only the people that work there are just brilliant, but could kind of practice all the skills that I had learned throughout the year.
I went to a historically black college and university for my undergrad, so it was a very comfortable place for me coming from a minority background. And when I got to Yale, I wasn't sure if I would find that sort of sense of feeling of home. And I think in a lot of ways I've been able to. I'm very involved with the Black Graduate Network here. I'm also in the African Health Professions interest groups.
Taking advantage of the Yale Art Museum, so I go there sometimes just if I'm walking down from past, like after class, I pop in there for about 10-15 minutes, go look at a Monet, a Cezanne, and go right back out after 10 minutes. It's incredible.
I've been to multiple amazing speakers, including leaders of healthcare organizations. This morning I actually had a breakfast with one of the chief architects of the ACA.
There's East Rock, which is a great park. I go there quite often. There's a lot of hiking there. I go to the Payne-Whitney Gym, which supposedly is the second largest gym in the world. I don't know about that, but it sure is beautiful.
We created a golf club, no pun intended.
The Graduate Bar Gypsy is a great place to go and hang out with a lot of different grad students.
You have to absolutely go to the winter formal. You can't skip it. When you come to Yale, you come for the Yale experience, and that night I can tell you you're going to get the Yale experience.
From students to faculty members, everyone just feels like a family. Everyone is always willing to support you and motivate you. And that kind of support and motivation and passion is really what gets me out of bed every morning.